Hello everybody, I am Awaista Anwar and today we will be reading the part 2 of Unit 1, Home Economics, in English. So let's start. Beginning of Home Economics. The education of home economics started in the United States of America. It all started when few women began to teach their neighbors' children in their homes. In the beginning, it was limited to English and mathematics. Later, certain household affairs such as sewing, embroidery, cooking, and knitting, etc., were added as well. This series continued for a few years and later it was called Dame School. The Great Britain in the same era had few schools named finishing schools, where pupils were trained in household affairs such as stitching and baking. In 1899, a conference was held in a city in America where home economics was properly named as a subject and its importance was highlighted. The education of home economics in Pakistan started when home economics colleges began to work in Lahore and Karachi in 1955. Begum, Rana, Liaqat Ali Khan laid the foundation of home economics education in Pakistan with the support of Ford Foundation. So that's it for today's lesson, everybody. I hope you learned something new today. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Compare Education Pakistan. Like this video and also make sure to share it with your friends and family. Bye. See you in the next video.